Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing a hot topic in the world of business and our environment. And this is no other than establishing a solar panel cleaning business. You see guys, as the world becomes more conscious of the impact of climate change, the use of renewable energy sources like solar power is on the rise. And as a result, so is the demand for solar panel cleaning services. Not only is this a highly profitable business opportunity, but it's also a way to make a positive impact on the environment. And I'm a firm believer of keeping the environment clean and living in a more conducive environment for ourselves and for our generation. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 steps to make at least $1,000 a day from a solar panel cleaning business and how this can help combat climate change. From finding the right target market to market your services, I'll cover everything you need to know to make your solar panel cleaning business a success, and at the same time, you also get to make a difference in the environment. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's get started on your path to financial freedom and helping the environment. Step 1. Research the market. Guys, very first step in starting a solar panel cleaning business is to research the market you want to get into. This includes looking at the number of solar panel installations in your area as well as the number of existing solar panel cleaning businesses. But instead of just looking at numbers, I recommend visiting some solar panel installations and seeing them for yourself. That way, you can see solar panel installations on rooftops of homes, commercial buildings, and industrial buildings. Also, some other places where you may see solar panel installations includes all this. So guys, not only will this give you a better understanding of the market, but it would also give you a chance to see how dirty those panels can get. Step 2. Having the right equipment and supplies. So guys, once you've had a good understanding of the market, you need to invest in the equipment and supplies needed to start a solar panel cleaning business. Alright guys, let's be real, this is the fun part. You see, you get to play with cool tools and gadgets like high pressure hoses, brushes, and squeegees. Think of it as a grown-up version of playing with the hose on a hot summer day. Step 3. Set your prices. It's really important that you flex your business muscles. When I mean muscles, I don't mean this. I actually mean your intellect. Alright guys, on a serious note, here's what you need to know when setting up a price. Number 1, you have to ensure that the prices are fair and competitive because it's important you make a profit. And remember, higher price means more money in your pocket. So don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Also guys, determining the best price range for a solar panel cleaning business depends on a variety of factors such as cost of your equipment, supplies, your overhead expenses, and the prices of other solar panel cleaning businesses within your area. A good starting point is to research the prices of solar panel cleaning businesses in your area and use that information to set your own prices. However, it's very important to also consider the cost of your equipment and supplies as well as your overhead expenses such as insurance and marketing costs when setting your prices. From the research I conducted, based on industry standards, the price range for solar panel cleaning services can vary from 25 cents to 75 cents per watt. It's also very common to charge a flat rate for cleaning a set number of panels, such as $100 for cleaning a residential panel system. Guys, one thing to note about the solar panel cleaning business, depending on the location, the size of the solar panel system, and the level of cleaning required. So it's always good to have a flexible pricing strategy. Also, one of my favorites is to upsell your services. Now, you can do this by setting up a one-time clean or regular maintenance package to appeal to a variety of customers. Number 4, market your business. Guys, once you've had your equipment, supplies, and prices set, it's time to market your business. So, there's several ways to market your solar panel cleaning business effectively. These are creating a website, networking, utilizing various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to reach potential customers. You can use any of these social media platforms to post regular updates about your services, promote special offers, and share customer testimonial. I highly recommend that you advertise in local publications as well as offer promotions to new customers such as a discount on your first cleaning service or a referral program that rewards existing customers for referring new businesses to you. And look, one final thing that you can do is just utilize online marketing tools such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads to target specific demographics and reach potential customers within your area. Number 5, keep your quality high. The most important thing is to keep your quality high. You see, the solar panel cleaning is a service industry, so make sure to provide the best service possible. And remember, happy customers equal repeat customers, and repeat customers equal money in the bank. Alright guys, there are several ways to ensure that your solar panel cleaning business should be of high quality, and these include establishing training, which entails that you make sure both you and your employees, or just you alone, are well trained on the proper techniques for cleaning solar panels. So what you can probably do is watch YouTube videos on other people who've actually started a solar panel cleaning business. You also should invest in high quality equipment and supplies such as water-fed bowls, brushes, squeegees to ensure thorough cleaning. And finally, it's very important that you follow industrial standards. This includes using proper cleaning solutions, equipment, and techniques to ensure that the safety of both yourself and the solar panels are done correctly. It's also vital that you implement a system for quality control to ensure that each job is done to the highest standard. This can include inspecting the panels before and after cleaning, taking pictures of before and after your services, as well as keeping a log of the work done that you can share on social media networks, as well as getting feedback from customers. Another aspect is to ensure that you protect your environment. Make sure to use environmental friendly cleaning solutions, and it's very important that you dispose any cleaning waste properly. Insurance. Obtain liability insurance to protect your business and customers in the case of accidents or damage to the solar panels. Communication. Make sure to communicate with the customers and ask them for their feedback and listen to them to make sure that you're providing the service that they expect. Guys, starting a solar panel cleaning business is a smart financial move and an opportunity to make positive impact on the environment. You see, by following the 5 steps I've outlined to you in this video, you can be on your way to making $1,000 or more, and at the same time, you get to help combat climate change by ensuring that solar panels are functioning at their maximum capacity. Alright, remember, the key to success in this business is to find the right target market. As I've said, you also have to provide a great customer service, and it's very important to keep your quality high. Also, market your business effectively, and most importantly, have fun doing it. Guys, I hope this video has provided you with the information and inspiration you need to start your own solar panel cleaning business. That being said, if you have any further questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond to you. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, kindly share this video. I'm sure there'll be a lot of people who will be interested in getting into the solar panel industry. Also, click the notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, always stay money smart. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.